Historically, I've never been interested in experimental aircraft, but over the past 8 months, Van's aircraft have really made an impression on me, so I thought while I was in Oshkosh, I'd take a demo ride and check one out. One of my biggest objectives during Oshkosh this year was to review avionics and look into ADS-B upgrades for 12994. In the process of that, I got some pricing that made me want to second guess owning an airplane. Throughout the last year or so of looking at ADS-B options, the cost is really what sparked my interest in experimental aircraft. For the price of putting an ADS-B transponder in 12994 today, I could do an entire Dynon glass cockpit system with autopilot in an experimental airplane. So I decided, why not take a demo flight and check it out? I had this whole plan that I was going to rig the entire airplane up with cameras and audio wires so that I could actually capture cockpit audio, but Oshkosh is unpredictable. So as the aircraft landed after the previous demo ride, there was actually an H-60 helicopter that was blocking the taxiway and almost made me miss my demo slot. As a result, I had to jump in the airplane, strap one camera on, and just kind of roll with it. I was pretty impressed with the performance characteristics of the RV-7. When they put the throttle forward, it kind of pushed you back in the seat. It almost felt like a little fighter jet. The visibility out of the open canopy cockpit was really good too. I enjoyed the airplane. I definitely wish that someday I could build something like this, although I don't know that that's ever going to be a realistic goal. That may be a someday after retirement kind of thing. Still, actually having a little bit more experience with experimental aircraft opened up a whole new perspective to me as a pilot into options that even exist out there, and things I never looked at before. It may be something worth considering if you're in that market. As always, thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to visit wheelinthesky.com for more exclusive content, ways to check out our sponsors pages, and connect with me on social media.